I know that you know that cash flow is important in private practice because without it, you can't help the people, right? So you need money to support the practice, to keep your doors open, to help more people. Money is important to reinvest in updating your practice, staying up to date with technology, and over time, you're creating a wealth asset where you can sell this back down the road if you really wanted to. In this model, you can focus on fewer patients where it's really about the quality and not the quantity of people you care for. And that leads to job fulfillment. With the insurance based practice, it's a volume based practice. You got to see lots of people to make money. In a direct care type of practice or even a hybrid, you can see fewer and still make as much or more. And ultimately, on the patient care side, when we have more time with patients, we can heal them instead of just covering up with another prescription, for example.